well, here we are, man. Summer campaign is over, right? We've asked a lot of you, right? Each day we challenged you, and you answered the call and said, I can, I will, and I must. From here, our theme for the 2018 season is all out, and that will kick in this Friday night. You know, guys, I'm not just excited about who we are today. I'm really more impressed about who we're going to be. And we're just getting started. So Friday night's coming, boys. We got a battle out in front of you. You should be so hungry and so ready for this because you're all in. And now you're going to go all out. Amen, guys.
Oh, yeah, let's start this thing up this week.
Yeah.
Woo! Yeah. 3 crowd flats on set. Let's start!
Off and on, I've been at Orange Lutheran for 15 years in the football program. You know, I think outside of just the talent, you know, a lot of elite teams you talk about their talent, but I think one thing that we have is a love for each other, a genuine passion in the locker room to take care of each other, be accountable to one another, and make this a great team.
I'm the best. Not better than me.
Yes, I am, bro.
You're 0 for 1. In varsity games, you're 0 for 1.
Oh, we all know that reason why we jumped out.
All the guys around here are excited. It's great when you have great energy around the team because, as we know, football is a team sport. But, of course, recent events, you know, I've just got more motivation for this year. I changed my number to number 3, so I'm super excited to just go out there and just sling it around the field and be out there with my guys because I know that's all what we want to do. Tyler, I just wanted to honor him and represent him on the field with me because whenever I look down at number 3, I know I'm going to go out there and give it all I got.
I try to be by his side through everything, and just the way that he handles it, the way he goes about it, it motivates him a little more. And it's really awesome to see because every day in summer, like I said, he was calling me to go work out. I was calling him to go work out. So the way that he pushes through everything, gets through everything, the way he does, it's pretty amazing.
It just inspires the whole team to see that he has dealt with such great tragedy and conflict, and he's just always kept a smile on his face, always just kept grinding through the pain, grinding through tragedy, all this sorrow, all this loss. I actually connect with him on a personal level because I also lost a sibling. So dealing with him and actually experiencing some of the things that he's experienced just helped me get stronger and helped him just feel better about himself.
Man, I'm hyped. It's go time. It's go time.
Good, Loya. Go! Come on, pick it up! Move! Our whole philosophy on practice is trying to maximize as much time, which means we'll take a little bit more time in the team room explaining each period so we can move faster. Hey, let's get another one in. Let's go. 10 seconds. Let's go. Let's go. Another play. Let's go. Come on, Jesse. Let's go. Let's go. Come on, Jason. 10 seconds. I mean, we will move periods from 5 minutes to 4 minutes to see how quickly we can transition, kind of builds our mental toughness, and is a big part of our conditioning by practicing at a high tempo.
Ready, set, go.
Go. Meet him, Eddie. Good.
Woo! Hey, whistle good.
So what we're trying to do is trying to create a negative, type of a negative resistance. So when they go into the game, getting in the game and performing, everything's just a lot lighter and easier. Develop hand strength, you know, being able to keep your shoulders up, placed, and working also with hand-eye coordination, hand punch placement, also with a negative with a weighted medicine ball. I think it's about 16 pounds.
What's up with your shoes? Going for a new look today? Or you, good luck cleats. This is black and white.
That's the cleat I threw for 500 yards against Vista.
Okay.
This is the cleat I threw for 400 against North.
Only at Olu do your shoes have a story.
Thank you, Pat. Next up, let's go.
Kyle Ford, obviously a big target, big wide receiver, plays every down like it's his last, great competitor. Ethan Ray coming back this year for us, committed tight end USC. Jackson CLOYD, 3-year starter for us, outside linebacker, great leader in the middle of our defense, is also spearheaded by Zach Brogdon. Elijah Mahara is going to Cal Berkeley. Elijah's been with us for 4 years. He was a dual sport athlete, basketball and football, committed this year to playing football full time, put on some great weight and got some great offers. Hey. I'm gonna get you back, okay? Now, here's what I want you to do, okay? I want you to take that plate on top of your head, walk to the goal line and back, then hold it here and walk it back. Yep, right now. Right now, we are moving all the time, Tristan. Tristan Webb is a sophomore offensive tackle for us. Had a meniscus tear. Has about 3 more weeks until we get back, but he's a 6'5", 280-pound offensive lineman that we need to get going right away. Everywhere we go, we got 45 pounds above our head, okay? Then we're gonna press it out, take a break, recover, recover, recover. Gotta get you ready to go.
Go! Go! Go!
You good? Here we go. Hey, 5 lines on the goal line. Face it out, Lou. Let's go. Reggie, make sure they're all aligned behind you, man. You the boss. You the boss. Yeah, you can wear your headphones the whole game. Yeah, with your iPod, with your phone right inside.
Hey, ref, I'm about to score. This is my song.
Hey, on your feet.
A, C, E, R, S.
Hold. Great work today. 3 clap lets on the whistle. Bring it up, bring it up. We got something to look forward to on Friday now, okay? So every single day, every single minute matters. Understood?
Yes, sir.
But again, we got to take initiative right now. That means when you go home and do something outside of 6 o'clock, okay, there got to be some football in it. Let's go. Hey, all out on 3. 1, 2, 3.
All out.